good morning. We just woke up at Saloma's Homestay. I had a great sleep. We've had some breakfast and now it's time to head out into the jungle and go find this beautiful waterfall that they have here. So yeah, join me on my trip to this beautiful waterfall. Alright, so I'm sitting here with Saloma and we stayed at her homestay here in Kampung Sadir. So, how are you, Saloma?
I'm good. I'm very well. Thank you so much.
Alright, so how long have you had your homestay?
We've been running this homestay for 8 years now, since 2012.
Alright.
Yeah.
So when people come here, what do they do?
So we offer a lot of activities such as hiking to the waterfall, and we also offer jungle cooking class for those who love cooking, and then you will basically prepare everything from A to Z, like bamboo rice as well, so you also learn how to cook things in the bamboo. So we have a lot of activities, and for those who love hiking, we also offer a hike to Indonesian border, and for those who love nature, this is the perfect place for you today. Yeah.
That's wonderful. So how many rooms are here? How many people can come here if they want to stay overnight?
Okay, we have 6 rooms and we can accommodate to up to 14 people at one time.
Well, thanks for having us here, and it's a beautiful place. Like I said, this is one of my favorite places to go in Sarawak, and she's a really cool lady.
Thank you so much for having us and for choosing us to accommodate your very nice party.
All right. Alright, we're setting off and we're on our way to the waterfall. Everything in life that is beautiful, you gotta work hard for. So we're setting off and we're hiking to this jungle. My breath is already a bit heavy because we're going up and down the hills, and I'm really curious about this waterfall. Hopefully it's gonna look nice. As you can see, there's a lot of cars here, so there's a lot of people that come here on the weekend to explore all the trails here, check out all the waterfalls. Saloma told me there are 27 waterfalls here, so there's so much to explore. Personally, this is what I love the most about being in Borneo. We go out, we explore all these villages, we walk through the houses, and it's so unique, it's so different. Like, look at this little dog sitting there. And it's just so beautiful, and the people are so lovely. Look at these little kids here and there. It's amazing. Right here in the jungle, they've got beautiful bamboo bridges, like the one that I'm walking on. They just get a few pieces of bamboo, put it across the river, put a little hand railing, and that's how they cross the little rivers. You don't get your feet wet.
Should we go back? Enough, let's go back.
This is the jungle. There's no easy way of doing this. It's ups and downs and definitely a lot of sweating. Woo! So So we're hiking to one of the 27 waterfalls here. And this waterfall is called Mabi Waterfall. It's about 30, maybe 40 minutes from Saloma's homestay. And I'm anxious to see it.
Nick, I'm thirsty.
Thirsty?
Yes.
Alright, let's get some water.
Hi.
Like I said in one of my other videos, I've been here for 10 years. And every time that we explore a new place, I'm in awe. It is amazing to be here. And even though I'm sweating like crazy, but this is what it takes. This is what it is. It's so great to be out, be in the jungle, you know? See this beautiful greenery around us. And I'm happy to live here. There are some benches here where we think we probably sit on it and take a little break. But actually these benches are not for the person to sit on. It is to put their big backpacks on of the people that, you know, that do their farms here. To put their heavy backpack on so they can take a little stretch. So actually these benches are made for the backpacks and not for the people. Alright, we finally arrived at the waterfall. We're on the top of the waterfall now. Look at this beauty. We're now making our way from the top of the waterfall to the bottom. Hopefully we can go for a nice little swim there. The main waterfall, and there's a second waterfall just down there, and apparently there's a cave underneath the waterfall, just like in those pirate movies. I guess it's time for a swim. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. We gotta go. That's where I went. Alright, gotta be careful. Slowly go down these bamboo steps to the base of the waterfall.